these trophies. He's kicking. That thing right there has probably eaten 14 pounds of bread in his life. And he's going to go right here, swim back. A big croaker. What in the world are you doing eating stink silvers? We used to have big croakers like this in Virginia and we killed them all. Now they're all tiny. Look at that. Bait. Like big time.
There's a freaking wind.
There you go. Try to hide your hands though. Push them out. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Now get a horizontal. Your hands are giant, dude.
He's kicking.
Push them out. Way out. I'm gonna block your hands. Push them out. Okay, I'll take a few. Hang on.
He's kicking.
Okay, I got him.
You got eaten on the way up.
All right.
Little bitty treble right up in the snout there. So they are crappie though. I think we might pull that shiner out and go. We're not going to keep any today.
You get the pole out of your keister, we're going to get along just fine.
Thanks. Thanks for the follow. But if we were going to keep, that's a good eater size. Oh, there's more fish. The hook there, mister. Let me show you off. It's a good fish. It's a good eater. Perfect eating size. Here we go, guys. Fishy, fishy. Finally. They're thick in here, too. They got a good build on them. Oh, there we go. Thick guy for only a 9.5, 10 incher. They're thick in here. Alright. Thank you kindly, fishy. Your lucky day, I'm not keeping any. That's a tank, dude. That's all of 13 inches. Goodness sakes. I mean, I have huge hands. That's just, I might even be bigger than 13. Because thumb to pinky on me is 10 inches.
It's got just a little teeny baby. Let's go, Liz. You set that my own.
Hopefully they can see that.
You can see your nails.
Yeah, they can see it. My thing was hooked to my freaking hoodie. Nice, that's a good size one.
It's the best bluegill we've caught all day.
That's a fatty. Fatty, yo.
You slammed it.
Yeah.
We did it.
We did it. And a decent one. A normal size one.
A normal sized bluegill.
That's a normie.
It's got some purple in it. I don't know if you guys can really see the purple down their backs right now, but really cool purple color.
It's got a little like something on his tail. A little leech or something.
There. Does anyone know what that is? That's a cool looking fish. Someone get a screenshot of that, please.
Thanks.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up right now! I call one! Oh, it's so small and cute! Take a picture.
I don't have.
You caught a shark. You see him?
No. He's not happy though.
Oh no, he's going that way. I'm gonna pull him off. Hopefully it's not something that bites. Fish on! Fish off!
No. Oh my God!
I saw.
Oh, it broke me off! That thing was not fitting out of the hole.
It was like this big! Oh!
Come on. Thick skin. Come on, thing. There it is. Push on either side here as I remove it. Works for me, 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 works for me. I wish it was in there further, to be honest. We're still kind of getting this all dialed in, aren't we? I wish it was in there a little further. So here's how we're going to do it. I'm going to look around for a second. See where everything went. What happened to my needling, my tagging needle? Did he flip it overboard or something? Well, either way, let's get some iodine on it. Yeah, I still need to measure it also. Let's do that. He just does not want to cooperate. It went. Apply some pressure. Feels like it's in there. But again, not as in there as I wish it was. I'm going to try one more time. Dislodge, dislodge. That is a little better. We're going to go with that, everybody. Gender, I'm pretty sure that's a male. Real quick, hit him with this, disinfection. Let's get a release on him. Perfect, I'll take it. Come on, Mr. Shark, you know you want it. These guys, sometimes they take a little time to revive, but I can tell he's got energy. He's going to want to go. He's going to want to go. Atlantic Sharp-Nosed Shark taking the gray fish tag. Nice. We're going to give it 45. We're going to give it 46 inches to the fork, everybody. And total length, I can barely reach. I don't know if that's my blood or fish's blood. 55. 55 total. That's it, everybody. Cut this hook out. Let's go ahead and release it. Gotta be careful here. Use the net again if I can. What's tangled? What's tangled? What's tangled? Get off, get off. Perfect. He's free. Destroyed my net. Come on, buddy. What do you say, bud? What do you say? What do you say? There he goes. Perfect. Let's go! That was so much easier than the nurse shark, everybody. Not bad.
Forget that. What do I got? What are you? Yes, I knew it. I knew it. Austin, you want to know how dirty this water is? You get the hell away from me right now. I will punch you. I will get you. Corn dog. In the ocean. Get away from me. Oh, they're coming in hot. They're coming in hot. For the corn.
This is a, hang on, its mouth is, it's going to bite me, I swear to God. Hold on, let me hold it up very quickly. Is it a Jewfish? D-H-U. D-H-U-F-I-S-H. Is it Jewfish? It is a freaking Jewy. Ah! Yo! Yo, Jewfish, let's go! Ah! What the fuck? Guys, what is that? Ah! blowy. It's not a blowfish. You should be able to see the blue dots now. Pink snapper, very undersized. They're getting bigger though. Yahoo!
Oh, look at there. A pretty fish. Let's go. Look at how pretty that yellow tail is. Right? It's a giant goldfish. It's a common carp. Can someone make sure they get a clip of that? And you know what I said about snag? Oh, there we go, fish on. That's actually a decent one, it feels like. There we go. I thought it was a snag. It's crawl, baby. Let's go. Baby crawl. Dead rig for the win. Look at it. Look at there. No skunk. Look at that. It's a decent one, too. Nice. I'm happy. Happy, happy, happy. Let's go. Hey.
Gonna go ahead and try to catch this fish. Feels decent, whatever it is. Should be at the hole here. Ooh, nice big bass. Holy smokes. This is a big fish. This is a personal best, guaranteed. Personal best, right here. This thing's huge. Ah! Wow. Wow. I'm gonna need to make sure that we get some really good pictures, like screenshotable pictures. Leave it loose.
Do you want it or you want me to put it back?
Nah, put him back. I can't find my finger.
Yo, that's a good, look at that. Look at that. Now we're gonna put her back. Look at that fish, boys. That's a good crappie right there. We're gonna put it back. There we go. I'm gonna snag something here. Nope, big old crappie. Right in the corner of the mouth. It's kind of snagged in the mouth, but it's not big. It's big. I thought it was bigger than it is. There we go. We got us a little crappie on right here. Come on, get off of my... There's the crappie, guys. I would show you... Right? Just trying to assist in the breakup here so I don't flip my boat over if I hit a thick patch, but it's not very thick. Yeah, right. I didn't bring any bass gear today, so no punch baits. Silly guy. some of this back here is kind of thick. Buddies, look at that bad boy. It's like 5. What do you think? 5, 6? I don't know that guy. He might be 7 pounds.
God, it's huge.
Look at that thing. He's been eating good. Nice. What happened to the boat dock over there? Did it get damaged by a storm? No, it's been down for years. There we go. First fish. Oh, we got another bite. Shit.
Which one?
The right one. Number 2. What's up, Laguna? Careful, someone might think you're talking about a different chicken. Yeah, this is the second one. This one's bigger. Nice. This one's, I'd say 6 to 8 pounds. It's hard to tell because they're guts. Usually a fish like this, I would say about 6 pounds, but I mean, that thing's huge.
Oh, got one. Not skunked, baby. Right there. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, there's a fish. There's the first one. And there's another one on the dead stick. I can't even fish the dead stick right now. I'm just gonna wind it up. Crappie. I gotta get the camera on the right angle, but we got fish on us right now. All right. Is it gonna be one of them bigs? No, this is not big. Oh, really? Here's a new species. Friggin' moon eye. That is awesome. How cool is that? Because this isn't over yet. Just keep clearing ice if you watch the line.
Oh, dude. Is it big? Oh, yeah, it's big, dude. Here it comes. Oh, fuck. Oh, hell, fucking.
It's even got a lamprey on it.
Woo! Woo!
Bolt board? Oh yeah, he's got a lamp.
Kicked in, slacked my line as I was talking about it. We're getting to that size I was talking about. This is about a 1 pounder and some change. The head of about a 2 pounder.
Fierce Raider says thick. Fierce Raider says, add baby WC wrap. Goalie Garobot says baby white crappie.
I can't pull this fish. Holy shit. Oh man, crappie. Big old head. I'm pulling you up, girl. Oh man. Ouch. Got him. There he is. Sitting right there. Fucking digging. Yep. Sitting right there.
Fierce Raider says, add baby WC wrap. Goalie Garobot says baby white crappie added.
Try
Bakura
right
the Wolf
there.